Hello and welcome back to Tech It's Simple. In today's tutorial, I'll be helping you learn how to log into PoppyBank. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how and subscribe to our channel. If you have not yet, press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. PoppyBank is a full-service bank, and the bank accepts deposits, makes loans, and provides other services for the public. PoppyBank is an FDIC-insured institution located in Santa Rosa, California. In order to log into PoppyBank, go open your web browser. And as soon as you do that, type in www.poppy.bank and press the enter. This is the official website of PoppyBank. Now to log into your account, you can see that there is a login button at the upper left corner of the screen. Click on the arrow and an expanded menu will appear where you can log in using your credentials. In the first text field, type in your login name. Move on to the next field and type in your password for your account. Make sure to type in the correct password while logging into your account. And once you're done, click on the Continue button. In case you've forgotten your password or your user ID, then you can click on Forgot Username link and Forgot Password link at the bottom. If you don't have an account yet, then you can click on Enroll Personal for personal account and Enroll Business for your business account, and register yourself first for mobile login. Click on the mobile login link and enter your credentials in order to log in. After entering the correct credentials, click on the Continue button and just click, you'll be logged into your PoppyBank account. That is all for today's video. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was in any way, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll see you soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till